Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel. Let's start a circle or square or motif or anything that works from the outside or the inside out. Let's start that with some chains. So let's start with a slip knot on our hook. And usually it's chain 4 or 5 maybe. So follow your pattern. So if it says to chain 4, then it'll say join with slip stitch in 4th chain from hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always, usually, I've never seen it be anything but the last one close to the slip knot. Join with a slip stitch. So we'll insert our hook in that last one, pull up a loop through the fabric and through the loop that's on the hook. And while I'm doing that, I'm finding the hole with my thumb and middle finger here and making the hole. And this is where all the stitches then will go if you are making a motif. So can you see here's the 1, 2, 3, 4 chains that we started with, and they become the perch for the stitches to go working in the round. So when you are starting to work in the round and you need to start with chains to form a ring, this is how it's done. Should I show you one more time? Pull it all apart. We start with a slip knot. We chain the number it tells us in the pattern. So maybe this time we'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Generally, it will tell you to slip stitch in the 5th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to form a ring. And while I'm doing that, I'm being aware of the space. See the 5 chains here? And holding that open with my thumb and middle finger so that I can then begin working in it to complete my pattern. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Give a shout out to Karen E, Ginny B, Constance A, and Jillian L for being subscribers. Please watch, like, subscribe, share these videos. Check out the description in the description box, all the fun links, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much.